Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive by data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am, you're right.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Understand and speak the basic.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am, 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, none, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am, I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
In Malaysia, ma'am, yes.
Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore, Hong Kong?
Because I love Malaysia.
But this is your first time working here.
Yes, ma'am. So I grabbed the opportunity to go to Malaysia.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Jessa Pagbigan. I'm 36 years old. My birth date is November 18, 1988. I live at 025 F. Canor Street, Wawang Pulo, Barangay Valenzuela, Metro Manila. I am married and I have two sons. My eldest is 19 years old and my youngest is 9 years old. And I recently working in
Sorry, how old is your child? 8 and
19 and
19 and
9.
19 and 9.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
please proceed.
Okay. So and also I recently working in China as a nanny and tutoring the kids and also do household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing and laundry.
You work in
And
China
yes, ma'am. I've been there in 5 years and 5 months. I just
5
recently
years
got
and
5 months.
okay. So before we proceed with your working experience, I would like to know some few more details from you first, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1" and my weight is 65.
What is your religion?
I'm Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I just undergraduate is nursing at Centro Escolar University here in Spania, Philippines.
Okay. So is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, your children is already grown up, 19 and 9 years old. Who will going to look after them?
Her father, ma'am. Their father.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 40 years old and he is a welder.
Okay, so what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
So my father is deceased since 15 years ago and my mother is 58 years old.
Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
Yes, ma'am. I have one brother and four sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
Pardon, ma'am?
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second?
The middleman.
You're in the middle. Okay, so you mentioned that you have a working experience in China way back, or you've been working there for 5 years and 5 months, right?
Yes.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
I since 2019 to 2025 February. I
What
just came
month
back.
of 2025?
Yes, I just came back March 2025.
Okay. So you mentioned that you do the chores, general house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and you take care of the children at the same time, right?
Yes, ma'am. But
How old
my
are
main
those children that you take care?
uh before I start there, 1 year old and 3 years old. They had
One
two
year
guys.
old and 3 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided not to continue working with this employer in China?
They migrate in USA.
Okay, so being an OFW is not new for you, because you already got working experience in China. Working as a domestic helper is a very tough job. You know it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to do.
But I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay? Houses
Yes,
here
ma'am.
is quite big, there is no joke, and employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, I do.
Do you know how to speak Mandarin?
Yes, ma'am. Basic to communicate the children.
Okay. So can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I will. I will.
Can you
I can.
cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Just like pork, beef, fish.
Do you know how to
Yes.
cook Chinese food?
Just a little. Just to take the vegetables, the steamed fish. Well, just a
Okay.
little.
So can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I will. I can.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
So you will going to sign a 2 years contract and you already know it, right? Any
Yes.
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? Usage of
Yes.
mobile phone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. We are no go out policy here. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I do.
Before in China, you can hold your phone.
Yes, ma'am. After my duties.
Okay, you can go out also on your rest
Um,
day.
I prefer just sleeping at home. Just rest at home.
Okay, so we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree about our rules and regulations. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries because we don't force people to come here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So normally, how do you fight your homesickness? Like for example, it strikes you anytime, anywhere. Of course, we don't know sometimes. We just suddenly cry knowing that we don't know. We just maybe we feel homesick or whatsoever. We feel so lonely. Normally, how do you fight it?
Actually, I graduated that. I just I know how to handle because of fighting
Okay. So
in China.
always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future to your children. In
Yes, ma'am.
Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but don't bring what you are doing in the Philippines here in Malaysia.
Yes.
Philippines and Malaysia got different rules and regulations also. Okay? Don't bring the law of Philippines in the law of Malaysia. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Malaysia got different law. Philippines got different laws. Okay? So we need to respect the culture of the employer and we need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
I think that's all. Thank you for now. It was my pleasure meeting you, Jessa. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much and have a good day.
Yeah. Have a good
Bye.
day too.